how to copy all data from your old Android phone to a new Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to back up and restore everything using Samsung Cloud. First, open the Settings app on your old Samsung phone. After that, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup to open the backup settings. From there, tap on Backup Data under the Samsung Cloud section. At this point, you'll see a list of everything that can be backed up. Go through and make sure all the toggles are turned on, including contacts, settings, apps, home screen, clock, messages, call logs, calendar, and voice recordings. In the next step, once everything is selected, tap Backup Now at the bottom to start the backup process. Following this, wait for the backup to complete fully before moving on. The time it takes will depend on how much data you have stored. Once done, pick up your new Samsung phone and make sure you're logged into the same Samsung account. From here, open Settings and tap on Accounts and Backup, just like before. At this stage, under the Samsung Cloud section, tap on Restore Data instead of Backup Data this time. After this, select all the data categories you want to bring over to the new phone and tap Restore. Finally, give it some time to complete, and once it's done, all your data, including your apps, contacts, messages, and settings, will be fully transferred to your new device. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer all your data to your new Samsung on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.